Want it? Here you go. Where are you gonna go? You gotta open it in front of us. Get it. He would turn the other way. Get it first. Get it. It's yours.
Well, open it.
Here. Come on. It's yours.
He's like, no, it's mine. Get away.
Oh. Oh. He must have worked like war with now. You gonna open it? I know you know how to tear it open.
He's
There
like, but
you
it's
go.
so nicely wrapped.
Here, look. Oh. Get it.
Then you can nibble at the corner.
Here, look.
Get it.
Look. First. Look at that. Oh. Get it. Open it. Get it. Open it. Get it. There you go.
You gonna eat the ribbon first?
Get it. He's so confused. Open it. Good boy. What's in there? Ooh.
This is probably terrible habit building. Next year he's gonna start chewing open Christmas presents.
Oh,
You discovered it? You figured out what was in there?
you got it? Oh, it's so cute.
I think he's more interested in eating the paper.
No, he knows there's bones there. What is it, Bruce? What's in there? Oh, what is it? Oh, no, he definitely wants to eat the paper. It's 2 presents in one. What is it? Daddy got you bones? Yay!
Yeah, it's super hard to tear open.
Here. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Inside it? Like a little kid? What's that? What is it? Oh, yeah! Oh, he likes it. And that's what he's going to do for the rest of the night.
Mm-hmm.